Kayleigh. So today's video is going to be a curly hair tutorial on how I get my hair to look like this. So apparently if you clicked on this video, then you like to have a big lion's mane. I actually have hair extensions in right now because when I do my hair curly, I prefer it to be super duper long. Although my hair is shorter, it's about that short. Yeah. I have not done this video since like 2012, so this has been a long time coming. So I am excited to show you guys this new routine because it is completely different than what you have seen me do before. And I'm really just trying to, I guess the best way to put it, simplify my routine so that way I don't feel like I'm forever trying to get ready in the morning. I just want something quick and easy to do. So this is what I came up with, and yeah, I hope that you guys like it. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so the very first thing that I like to do is an overnight mask, and usually it involves castor oil because I am trying to get my hair to grow longer, about 2 to 3 times a week in my either hot oil treatments, protein masks, or moisture masks. So when I do a protein mask, I'll do a video separately on this, but protein masks I like to throw in eggs. It just helps to really rebuild the hair, makes your hair super shiny. Today I was doing a moisture mask overnight, so it had primarily coconut oil in it. I also threw in some maracuja oil, as well as some essential oils like lavender and rosemary. I like to use this Hairgurt smoothing yogurt shampoo. It is creamy and rich. It's made with yogurt powder, prebiotics, quinoa. I usually have to do it about 2 to 3 times because the coconut oil, for example, is just like really stuck in my hair, so I have to make sure that I'm getting it out. It also does a great job of keeping my hair from getting too frizzy, and it just keeps it nice and hydrated and moisturized even after I've shampooed twice. It doesn't strip my hair of all the oils. It still feels really good afterwards. It smells amazing. It's so good. All right, next thing that I do is I use this Briogeo Don't Despair Repair deep conditioning mask. It also has no sulfates, no parabens, and no silicones. So this contains a unique blend of avocado, sweet almond, and argan oils, and also hair essential vitamins like B5 and biotin to repair damaged hair, enhance shine, and reduce breakage by up to 81%. A little goes a long way. I really don't need much, and I'll just focus this on the ends of my hair and slowly start working up. Let it sit in my hair for about 3 to 5 minutes while I do other things like wash my body, shave, wash my face. I make sure that it sits on my hair a little bit so it can really soak in. After rinsing my hair, I squeeze out all the excess in my hair. I just kind of like gently wring it out, try and get out as much as I can. And then I'll jump out of the shower. I'll usually throw on a towel. I won't touch my hair at all. And I'll go through and do like all of my skincare products, my whole entire skincare routine. I will use a cotton t-shirt and I'll scrunch my hair with that. And what I like to do is like kind of flip my hair over on either side. So I'll start with one side, flip my hair over so it's away from my neck, and then I'll use the cotton ball and then I'll put the t-shirt in my hand and just scrunching it up all the way to the roots. Basically what this does is it helps to reform the curls. It's kind of like teaching them how to be again, kind of like training them in a way to where I want them to look. Once I feel like I've squeezed all of the water out of my hair and scrunched it up nice and good, then I'll go in with my rose water. So this is an all-purpose toner. You can use it on your skin and your hair, which I do like to use this on my face too. But I like to do this as a first step. It's kind of like a water-based leave-in basically. And what it does is it helps to balance the pH levels. It improves shine, and it gives your hair a natural luster, and it also smells really good. So I'll use this first. This is the Tarte Maracuja Oil. I use it on my face and my hair. I absolutely love this stuff. What I do is I just do about like 3 to 5 drops, and I'll put it into the palm of my hand, and then I'll rub my hands together and really warm up the product just so that I can make sure that it's really absorbing into my hair. And I'll start at the ends and kind of scrunch the product in, and then I'll work my way to the middle of my hair, and then finally up in the root area. And this also helps to tame frizz, makes your hair really shiny and hydrated. I definitely cannot live without oils in my hair. It's amazing how my hair has transformed ever since I did start using oils. I also like jojoba oil. I have tried grapeseed oil as well. Basically, I like to use anything that is very lightweight and isn't going to feel heavy or greasy or weigh down my hair. Finally, I like to seal the moisture into my hair by using a cream. This is by Briogeo. It's the Rosarco Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protecting Cream. No sulfates, no silicones, no parabens. This is infused with a nourishing blend of rosehip, argan, coconut oil, and what it does is it helps to smooth hair, enhance shine, tame frizz, and it also protects against heat, although I don't use heat on my hair. At least I haven't been in the past, I think it's been a month and a half now, which is pretty crazy. And then I just let my hair air dry. I usually like it to air dry just as it is, like I won't touch it at all because otherwise the curls will get messed up. So if I come out of the shower and my hair is naturally in a middle part, I just leave it that way. That way the curls can form on their own without me messing with them. The only thing I'll do is about like 30 minutes later, after my hair has dried to, I'd say maybe like 60%, 60-70%, I will use my fingers and I'll rub in the root area just to kind of help give some more volume to my hair, kind of separate out the curls a little bit, and then I'll wait another 30 minutes to an hour to where my hair's, I'd say like 90% dry, and that is when I'll flip my bangs over whichever way I'm feeling. Usually I flip them over this way. If you flip your hair over too soon, what ends up happening is you won't have it all nice and curly. It'll be like a lot straighter. So that's why I like the curls to form first before I start doing any flipping with my hand. Then at this point, I decide whether or not I want to wear extensions. If I do, I clip these in. They are from Amazon in the shade 1B. It's like an off black color. To curl the extensions, I just use this curling wand right here. It's a Cortex. I believe this is like interchangeable. You can use, you know, whatever size you want, but this was the smallest one that I had. So this is how I replicate my curls, is just by using this. I think it's slightly inverted, but yeah, I'm not sure the size. All I know is that it's super tiny, and I just take like 1/2 inch sections and just wrap it really, really tight around here. Let me know what you guys like to do for your curly hair routines. I do love trying new things, so if there's something that you guys would suggest to me, or I would just love to read about what you guys do down in the comments, then that would be great. So don't forget to leave your comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!